respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Mounika. I am studying 10th standard in ZPGHS School, Chennur. In this session, I would like to talk about the reaction between acids with metals. And understanding the concept using visualization is easier than memorization, right? Now, in this experiment, with the help of this diagram, it is easier to find out the procedure, conclusion and materials required. Now, using this diagram, we can understand the aim of this experiment, right? Now, the aim of this experiment is the reaction between the acids with metals. Now, in this diagram, this is an acid, right? This is a metal. Now, the materials required for this experiment are the test tube, the stand, the delivery tube, one whole rubber cork, and the candle, the soap water, etc. Now, let us understand the procedure through this diagram. Now, first, take about 10 milliliters of dilute HCl. Now, you all know what is the differences between the dilute and concentration HCl. Because the dilution means the solution with the mix of water. It means the reducing the concentration of H plus ions, right? Now, take about the 10 milliliters of dilute HCl in a test tube and add a few zinc granules in it. Now, we observe that bubbles formed on the surface of a metal. Now, using delivery tube, pass the bubbles to the soap water for our conclusion, right? Now, with the help of delivery tube, the bubbles are transferred into the soap water. Now, in the soap water, we observe the bubbles on the surface of the water. Now, this is your procedure. Now, what we conclude in this experiment is the bubbles are formed in the soap water are the hydrogen. How can you test this is an hydrogen gas? Using the candle, we can find out the evolved gas is a hydrogen. Now, how can you find it is a hydrogen? Now, take the candle and burn it. It burns like a pop sound, indicating hydrogen is evolved. Now, from this experiment, we conclude that acid plus metal will give rise to respective salt and hydrogen gas, right? Now, this is a general form of this experiment. We use the metal here, zinc. Now, using the elements, we can represent the equation as the acid we use is HCl plus, and the metal we use is here zinc. Now, write the formula for zinc Zn, and we'll give signs to the respective salt. And what the salt is formed here is ZnCl2. ZnCl2. Now, this is a compound formed due to the reaction of the acids with the metal, right? And evolved gas is hydrogen. But you should not remain this equation as it is. We must balance the equation, right? Here in the RHS, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, but whereas in LHS, there is only 1 hydrogen atom. Just add 2 here, then it is completely balanced. Thank you.